True light is dependent on the presence of other lights. Take the others away, and darkness results. Yet the reverse is not true. Take away darkness, and there is only more darkness. Darkness can exist by itself. Light cannot.
In stressful, uncertain times, when cynical powers attempt to divide and isolate us, community and solidarity are acts of resistance. But there are no superheroes here and no simple answers to be found, only the quest for connection. In 2025, we're responding to the need for community and solidarity in uncertain times by turning Conference to Restore Humanity into a model for humanizing critical discourse and dialogue, bringing together students and teachers, researchers and doers, thinkers and visionaries to explore complex topics in education and illuminate a path forward together. What if, instead of viewing the fringes as an educational afterthought, we treated them as a blueprint for what schools could become? In our opening flipped keynote, Dr. Sarah Fine will explore what can be learned from spaces that are often seen as peripheral to the core purposes of school: elective courses, career and technical education pathways, alternative education programs, and extracurricular activities. These spaces carry powerful lessons about how to design for authentic relationships and deeper learning. And we are taking our flipped keynote model one step further by adding fireside chats, moderated panel discussions followed by audience Q&A. Shanae Bond, Maria Monroe-Schuster, Luckett Quiche, and Will Richardson will lead us in dialogue about the challenges facing education today and how we can collectively address them in 2025 and beyond. Audrey Waters, Shayna V. White, V. Dow, and Charles Logan will help us answer what, if anything, should be the relationship of AI and EdTech to education. We'll also be hosting a student panel of young people from Great Plains Action Society, an Indigenous-led grassroots organization advocating for Indigenous rights, to speak to their experiences and perspectives as Indigenous youth today. And instead of week-long learning tracks as we've had in the past, we are including 2-hour daily workshops with expert practitioners. Nawal Karuni will help participants understand and connect family practices to curriculum to create deeper, more authentic caregiver collaborations. Dr. Emma McMain reimagines SEL as open dialogue, not a checklist, connecting social and emotional learning to culture and society. Angela Stockman invites participants to explore how pedagogical documentation can serve as an act of stewardship, honoring, preserving, and nurturing rich narratives about learners and learning. And we'll continue to use our Discord as a hub for camaraderie, community, and to keep the conversation going beyond the live events. Our virtual Conference to Restore Humanity 2025 runs July 21st through the 23rd. To make this year as accessible and sustainable as ever, we've cut the ticket price to just $50. You can learn more about Conference to Restore Humanity and register on our website at humanrestorationproject.org/conference. Thank you so much for joining us on our quest for connection as we continue the journey to restore humanity to education together.